LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the repair process is different for every laptop model. At LaptopInventory.com, we have created a database with thousands of free laptop repair videos. Simply go to LaptopInventory.com. Select your laptop brand, series and model, and find the exact repair video for your laptop. Turn the laptop over. Remove the laptop battery. Remove the plastic bezel. Remove the screws. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Gently pry out the keyboard. Remove the cable. Remove the cover. Remove the Palmrest. Place the touchpad back in place. Plug the cable back in. Plug the keyboard cable back in. Place the keyboard back in place. Place the screws back in. Snap the plastic cover back in place. LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts.